Okay.
It's my right hip.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought you were coming in on Monday. It's Thursday. What are you thinking?
Work schedule.
Gotcha. Yeah, so his right leg is quite a bit longer, so no wonder it hurts when he's walking, hiking. God. There we go. Okay, lay with this side up. There we go. So this is James Chapman from Body Dynamics, Master Deep Tissue Corrective Rehab Specialist.
Yeah.
Send all our people to him. Back on your stomach. Okay, we got that part. Okay, keep that leg straight. Lock your knee. Raise your whole leg up towards the ceiling as far as you can. Good. Now do the other one. All right. A little bit on the sacrum. This side up. There you go. On your back. You're unusually quiet, James.
Yeah, I'm being filmed.
Nice. How's your ankle doing?
It's my left foot this time.
Switching it up on me.
Yeah.
Relax that. Hold your legs out. Good. Point your toes out. Hold them out. Good. Point your toes in. Hold them out. All right. Bring these up. Toes in. Squeeze your knees together. Squeeze. Come on. Squeeze. There we go. A little better. Squeeze. Wow, that's weak. Squeeze.
I'm feeling that like right in pectineus.
Yeah. Squeeze. Oh, there we go. You finally actually squeezed. One more time. Good. All right, legs out, toes in. Hold. There you go. Good. All right, let's sit you up, face that way.
Which way? This
That
way?
way, yeah. Check your shoulders. That's good. That's good. All right, stand up and walk around.
Oh yeah. So much better. Awesome. I love it. Best chiropractor in town. Only chiropractor I use. Nicely done, buddy. Thank you. Thank you, Kelly.